Presentation from delegates of the Asian Development Bank to Constantine Kadong High School, had comments on February 28, 2025. On behalf of the program organizer, may I request permission to begin the program. Firstly, we respectfully welcome the delegation from the Asian Development Bank Welcome the Director of the Provincial Department of Education, Youth and Sports, the Principal of Constantine Kadong High School, and all the teachers present here. To begin with, may I request your permission to announce the program for this occasion as follows. 1. National Anthem of the Kingdom of Cambodia. 2. Welcome remarks and presentation by Mr. Long Sophia, Principal of Constantine Kadong High School. 3. Remarks and grading by Mr. Nguyen Chan Sachita, Director of the Chak Provincial Department, Education, Youth and Sports. 4. Remark by the Asian Development Bank. 'Moving to agenda item 1. Let me invite your excellencies, ladies, gentlemen, and teachers present here to please stand up for the national anthem of Kingdom of Cambodia. Attention! May I invite you to stand up for the national anthem of the Kingdom of Cambodia. May I invite you to have your seat, please. Continuing, we respectfully invite the Principal of Constantine Kadong High School to deliver welcome remarks and a presentation on the achievements and progress of the high school. Welcome, sir. 'Once again, I would like to thank the principal for reporting on the school progress up to this point in time. Following this, we respectfully invite Mr. Nguyen Chan Sachita, Director of the Department of Education, Youth and Sports, to deliver remarks to the assembly. Welcome, sir.